Okay guys, following on from the success of my sausage casserole using the Coleman's mix, I've gone and got myself a lamb one. So I've kind of overfilled that now, because I used a little bit more lamb than I needed and whatever. Basically it's well full, so couldn't quite get all the mix in, but we'll see what it comes out like. So that needs 2 hours in the cooker now. I've done that a little bit early. My dad's in bed at the minute, so I shall put that in an hour or so and I'll let it cook for 2 hours. Looking forward to that. Okay guys, so I'll get that casserole in the oven. Now the reason I'm having lamb, or making lamb, is Michelle doesn't like lamb. So I thought I'd take the opportunity while I'm here. Michelle, I'm not cooking for Michelle, I'll do some lamb. So let's get that in the oven and cook for 2 hours. Hi guys, I just had to get out of the sun then, I couldn't see. Good Tuesday afternoon. What we're doing now is we're going to a museum that we didn't know about. I came across on the internet up in Stockport. It's a air raid shelter museum. Neither of us have heard of it, so we'll go up and have a look what it's all about. You never know, I might enjoy it. Just waiting for my dad to get his shoes on and then we'll set off. Let's get on.
Stop, so get you on your way. Thanks, Chelle. There we are.
I had another talk with the German Chancellor, Herr Hitler. And here is the paper which bears his name upon it as well as mine. We regard the agreement signed last night and the Anglo-German naval agreement as symbolic of the desire of our two peoples never to go to war with one another again.
And we've not heard as much as the sound of a single aeroplane. The worst part is the waiting. And for what? We've been told that there's these explosive bombs that'll blow up a whole street. Or the incendiaries that set all the buildings alight, or worse still, poison gas.
Quite early, isn't it, really? Quite early, really, isn't it?
Wow.
Okay guys, so this is what we're seeing. This shelters have been built for 6,000 people. What, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 20, 18 beds. You ain't gonna get one. Okay guys, these are the flush toilets. They put screens up, but the council was a little bit reluctant to put these screens up because apparently things were going on behind the screens. And there's 38 of these for 6,000 people. ends up with a mile of books. What would we do? What would books be used for in the war effort? Not it's a waste to throw them away, like, but no. Well, I suppose it recycle the paper. I suppose. I'll have to go and look that up. It's intrigued me. And that, guys, is what the entrance looked like. Okay, guys, that was the Stockport Air Raid shelter. They do a guided tour which takes you around a little bit more than what we saw, but that's £5.50 to get in. I'm not 100% sure that's worth it, but as a bit of history it's worth it, you know, as what went on. I'm assuming that we didn't see a lot of the air raid shelter. They were supposed to be able to take 6,000 people in there, but yeah, it passed an afternoon though. Well, saying an afternoon was probably in about an hour, so I don't think you can do much more than an hour. You can definitely read everything by then. Anyway, let's get out of Stockport.